Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Xiaomi Redmi A3X, and guys, and this is a little brother of the Xiaomi Redmi A3, and this phone is costing around only 90,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have 3 GB of RAM with the 64 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the Aurora green color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and this phone has a really large, has a 6.7-inch 90Hz IPS LCD display on the front. On this side we have dual cameras on this phone. We have 8 megapixel main camera with a depth sensor, and also this phone is powered by Unisoc T603 SoC. And also on the right hand side we also have a fingerprint scanner, and this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that give you a fingerprint scanner. We also have 5000 mAh battery size, and in my opinion this phone has everything that you want in this price range. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Redmi A3. And guys, again, and this is a budget phone, so let me remove the plastic first like this, and now let's open this box like this. So on the top we have our device Redmi A3X, as you can see, in the green color. The back we have a glossy finish, although I am really liking the design language of the Redmi A3X. It looks, I would say, a lot more expensive, I would say. The back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. And now let's quickly boot this phone up again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Redmi A3X. Let me remove the plastic as well. We have the Xiaomi logo. Now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, we have a warranty card as well as a quick start guide, as you can see. And here is our simulation tool. And guys, and this is a 10-watt normal charger. We don't have any fast charging support on the Redmi A3X. Also we have our cable, the USB Type-C to USB-A cable. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Redmi A3X. And guys, on the bottom we have USB-C port, main microphone. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we don't have any rubber gasket. On the top we have our speaker with headphone jack. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 8 megapixel main camera on the back. Then we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor with LED flash. And the camera layout, even the back looks, I would say, really nice, really premium in the hand. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.7-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Also we have a U-shaped notch on the top, and the bottom chin, even the side bezels, I would say it is not the biggest, I would say. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Redmi A3X. Now let's see the max brightness, because and the display looks not really bright. So here's the max brightness looks like. I would say, and the display it is really acceptable. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's see Android version, about phone, and this phone is running on Android 14. It is a mixture of the Android Go as well as the Realme UI. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. I would say this phone has a fingerprint scanner on the side. The fingerprint scanner, it works, I would say, really fast. And here is the app drawer, so you can see. And also we have 64 GB of internal storage, only 49.25 GB it is available for you guys. And now let's go to the battery. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10-watt normal charging. So now let's look at the camera. Again, this phone has a really acceptable dual cameras on the back with 8 megapixel main. Then we have a depth sensor. So here's the 8 megapixel looks like, I would say really decent, not the best obviously. So here's the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 1080p 60 fps. Here's the portrait mode, here's a time lapse, and other that we don't have any slow motion, we don't have any pro mode. And this phone has a only 5 megapixel selfie camera, and the 5 megapixel it is, I would say, not really good, especially in this lighting condition. Although in outdoors the result will be slightly better, but it is still not the best. The front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps, which you expect in this price range. And here is the portrait mode with the front facing camera. Also we don't have any night mode on this phone. In 90,000 PKR you have a 6.7-inch 90Hz IPS LCD display with 5000 mAh battery size. Also we have a really decent Unisoc A603 SoC, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And this phone is only recommended only for normal use. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi A3X. And this is the cheapest smartphone only from Xiaomi. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.